Hi guys, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to OhhSoPaige. Today we are starting my verses series where I'll do popular techniques for natural girls on one side of my hair and compare it to the other side of my hair using a different technique. So for this video, I did perm rods versus flexi rods. I'm going to have the perm rods to the left and then the flexi rods will be to the right. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Product that I'm using to style my hair today is the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and I really do love this foaming mousse because one, it's inexpensive, and two, it gets the job done. So I'm going to start out with the left side of my head, which as stated before is going to be the perm rod side. I do have a perm rod video tutorial on how to do this on dry stretched hair, as well as how to do this on, I think, wet hair as well. Yeah, I did it on wet hair in my mohawk video. So what you're gonna do is take your desired section of hair and add product. And after that product is added, I like to go through with my dimming brush to pretty much separate the curls and make sure that each curl is evenly coated. Then I like to tuck my ends on the bottom of the perm rod and then roll over that piece at least one time, and then go ahead and roll all the way up and spread the hair on that perm rod. I actually breezed through this perm rod set on this one side. So now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and start the flexi rod side to the right. My technique for the flexi rods is pretty much the same as perm rods. I'm going to go ahead and add the product and use my dimming brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and tuck the end on the flexi rod. I like to roll my hair over that at least one time, and then roll my hair up, spreading it out the length of the flexi rod. I do also have a flexi rod video for you as well, and I will have that linked in the information card up above or in the description bar below.
Righteous on the beat.
Sidebar rant, you guys, look how moisturized and curly my hair actually is. I've gotten a lot of hate comments from my dry stretched perm rod set video, and the title said stretched dry hair, which means I blow dried my hair before I did my perm rod set. So people are thinking that my hair, because it's colored, is dry and damaged. My hair is not damaged. My curls are luscious. My hair is growing. It's way longer than it's been. Like, check out all this black roots.
Righteous on the beat. Righteous on the beat. Righteous on the beat.
All right, so now that both sides are complete, I'm gonna go ahead and sit underneath my hooded dryer attachment that I think you attach it to a blow dryer and go to sleep, y'all. I'm tired. So it is now 5 a.m. and I'm trying to finish this up before going to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. It is all dry. Let's go ahead and start with the perm rod side again. I like to take it off and then spiral down the way that the hair is supposed to fall. So I also take the flexi rod down in the same type of technique as the perm rod. So we're just gonna unfold it and spiral down as well.
On the beat.
So now that both sides are taken down, do you guys see a difference at all? I think I like the perm rod side the best so far, but I will let you guys know towards the end. I sneezed, sorry. Tedious part of these curl styles is this separating part. Oh my gosh, separating your curls, man, your fingers get cramped up and it takes a long time, but it makes the curls look so good. That's the thing. But you guys, I'm really feeling the way this perm rod side looks. The curls are just more fluffy to me than how they're about to look over here on this flexi rod side.
On the beat.
So now I'm gonna take an Afro pick and go ahead and stretch my roots out so that the hair can be more picked out. You guys, I finally bought me an Afro pick. I've usually used like the end of a comb, but I actually love the Afro pick. But I'm just gonna tell you now, like, I do a terrible job picking my hair out. Like, I really suck at picking my hair out.
On the beat. Geitz is on the beat.
So now that this is complete, I definitely am going with the perm rod side. Remember, the perm rod side is to the left and flexi rods are to the right. I like the perm rod side more. I just like the denseness of the curl versus the flexi rod side. Let me know in the comments which side you guys prefer as well. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.